Hi, welcome to our video on Project Lead the Way Biomedical Sciences. As you can see, we have 4 different programs here at our school. We have 4 different courses. Principles of Biomedical Science, which requires no prerequisites. Human Body Systems, which needs 9th grade biology or PBS. Medical Interventions, which is a junior-senior class that requires PBS, HBS, or Sports Med. And Biomedical Interventions, which is an all-senior class that requires taking Medical Interventions or AP Bio or Chem. We have a cool, this is Indiana Bones, honor cord. So if you take all 4 classes and you get an average of an A, you get to walk across the stage at graduation with a Project Lead the Way honor cord. So we want to tell you a little bit about each of the classes. Here we go, meet our new instructors.
Hi, I'm Ms. Thompson and I teach PBS. In this class you're going to learn a lot about forensic science. You're going to actually get to draw blood out of one of our awesome little phlebotomy arms. You're going to get to tour an ambulance. This is really just kind of a survey class where you're going to get to do a lot of different things, a lot of different case files. At one point you're going to even get to be a doctor and diagnose a lot of different patients. So if you're really just interested in trying your hand in the medical field, I highly recommend you take this class.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Nance. I teach Human Body Systems, which is the 2nd class in our Project Lead the Way series. Human Body Systems is pretty much your typical anatomy and physiology class. We do a lot of work with the different systems, from the nervous system, endocrine system. We learn the bones, brain. We learn about neurons, do some dissections. Here's kidney, cow eyeball, and a sheep brain, and in doing those really understand the anatomy of those organs. In Human Body Systems we also work with case studies, solving mysteries. We do some forensics as well. In my class we do a lot of work on a lab notebook, which is giving the students a lot of opportunity to be more creative and artistic and set up the lab notebook how they see fit. I find that former students let me know that they use their lab notebook in future collegiate classes that they're taking to become nurses and doctors. So if this is something that interests you and you're thinking of going on to any area in medicine, you will find that Human Body Systems will be very, very helpful.
Hi, I'm Ms. Jarvis. I teach the last 2 courses of Project Lead the Way Biomedical Sciences. The first course, or the 3rd course, is actually Medical Interventions, and we get to do a lot of biotechnology. So we follow a fictitious family through all sorts of trials and tribulations. You learn how to do micropipetting, you learn to do bacterial transformation, we do gel electrophoresis, all sorts of biotechnology skills you're going to learn in Medical Interventions. Hello, it's Ms. Jarvis again. I also teach the 4th and final class of Project Lead the Way, which is Biomedical Innovations. We have this amazing table, which is unique. There's not very many high schools in the state of Washington that have an anatomage table. We can take this body, we can spin it around, and we can dissect it. So in your 4th year, we can bring it all the way down to the muscular system, the veins, and take a look at what's inside the body. So in your 4th year, and actually in your 2nd and 3rd years, you'll be able to use the anatomage table to learn more about human physiology and anatomy. Also in our 4th program, it's a senior-only class. You do projects. They're going to do things like a forensic autopsy on a fetal pig. So they're going to get a pig and have to decide how it died by doing an autopsy. They're going to do a Shark Tank on medical innovations and try to sell their medical innovation and get some Shark Tank bucks. So there's some really cool missions. There's about 8 missions that they do their senior year. And again, remember, if you get an A in all 4 classes, you get to have this graduation cord that you get to walk across the stage with. So we would highly encourage you to research and look into our 4 programs for biomedical science. Thank you for listening.
I'm Julia. I'm a senior here and I've taken all 4 biomedical classes. It's really helped me figure out what career path I want to go down and learn more about anatomy.
Hello, my name is Victoria Niquinina and I'm currently a junior at Tahoma High School. I am taking Human Body Systems and we have learned a lot in that class, and we do a lot of fun dissections such as brain dissections and a cow eye dissection. We also learn a lot about note-taking, which is the fun part of the class. And then your notebook looks really cute too. And this class helped me a lot to understand more about human body systems and how it works, and then really helped me to figure out what I want to do in the future and the right path that I want to choose.